Hello, today we are in the Star Wars universe and we'll be using Force. And as you can see, the puzzle is very interesting. We have a smart contract that's empty and only has a cut as a comment, so it's completely irrelevant. And they say that we should look for fallback methods and attack the contract with another smart contract and see beyond the console, but I won't be looking at this. I'll just explain it to you now. So what we have to do is we have to send some money to this smart contract, but we can't do this the easy way. We can't just execute a call function and send some funds because the contract will reject them because it doesn't have a receiver function. But there is only one way where we can always send money to contracts like that and they won't refuse it. And it's the self-destruct function. And in the Solidity documentation, you can see how it works. And it says that the history of on the blockchain stays, but the smart contract will be inactive, and that we can specify an address that will get all of the remaining ether that we have in our contract that we destroy. And the receiver can't refuse the money. So that's how we will send the money to the destination target. So we can start by copying the address of the victim. And I'll use Remix for this simple operation. We just have a simple smart contract with an attack function that will self-destruct our smart contract and send money to this address, which is address of the cat contract. And don't be confused here, it's not a goddamn Death Star. It's not like you're passing address of a contract to destroy. You pass the receiver of the money you have left in your smart contract. So now we can deploy this. And when it's deployed, we'll just execute the attack function. And while executing the attack function, just making sure that the message value, because as you can see the function is payable, is bigger than 0. So even one way, because the instructions didn't specify any big number. And it's the address of the victim. So now we are attacking. Transaction went through, so we can go back to our contract. And there is a simple way of checking the balance of any smart contract. So we just use await web3.if get balance, and balance of instance. It's a variable with this address. And you can see that the balance is one way, so we succeeded and we can submit the instance. We are finished, it worked. Watch other videos.